Breakdown, so definitely check that out on their website too. But they gave 10 predictions for 2021, and UGC content was at the top of that list. And I think
Was it?
Yeah, definitely. I think it's only going to blow up more, especially with people being at home still. We're still in, kind of lockdown mode across the world. And so people are using those kitchen products. People are using those beauty products. They're taking more lifestyle photos. We have the holidays coming up. If they're using, your plates or your, serving utensils or whatever it may be. I've seen a lot of stuff with holiday, Christmas trees, Hanukkah, things like that. Decorations and lights and things like that. People are photographing it because that's kind of what's hot in their life right now. So I definitely think it's only going to pick up. I personally think that, and social media today thinks that as well as Norm. So it's 3 for 3. It's
there we go.
I mean, if we said it, then it's good.
If we take a look at even Amazon listings, so using that social proof, you can definitely use on your Amazon listings. You can use it on your Amazon posts. If you get an influencer or a brand ambassador to do video, you can use it with Amazon Live. Yep. And then it's repurpose time. Yep. You've got all this. I talk about Paul Barron. So Paul has his brand, and he gets, in the last 3 months, 2,000 images.
God, that's amazing.
Where do you even start to post 2,000 images?
Well, you got to look for the cream of the crop. You got to look for what the best is.
Yeah.
Kind of take it down there. And that's where I think you want to put your best images are always going to go on Instagram. I think that's where people are looking for quality content, but also organic content. And, I talk a lot about experimenting with your social media content. So if you have any other images, like you said, you have so many to choose from, start sprinkling those out on other channels, different times, different audiences, and see what resonates. So it can always be utilized. And another great thing that I noticed when I had, we have a bulk of, whether it be stock footage or footage that our photographers have taken or, things I've worked with in the past, you never know when you have to dip into that for like one of those unofficial social holidays. I feel like that can always be relevant. So there's always an opportunity to use those images. Don't ever think that something's going to go to waste or, that it's kind of just, that was for naught, that was just wasted effort, because there's always something that comes up. You're probably thinking, well, I didn't know it was this national holiday and that image works for it. So now you can post that. There's always opportunities. I feel like don't ever narrow your vision with that.